Dear students, today in Accountancy for class 11th in the chapter Introduction to Accounting, we are going to discuss accounting information. Let's start with accounting as a source of information. The process of accounting begins with the identification of financial transactions and their money measurement, recording them in the books of accounts, preparation of financial statements, interpreting and communicating to users of accounting service. Every step in the process of accounting generates information. This information facilitates the various users of accounting service to arrive at a rational decision. Accounting is often regarded as the language of business, since the main aim of a language is to serve as a means of communication. Accounting communicates the results of business to the management, investors, creditors, owners, bankers, and government, etc. As an information system, accounting collects financial data, records it in the books of accounts, classifies and summarizes it to produce the financial information that is communicated to all concerned groups. Here are different types of accounting information. Accounting provides information about the performance of the enterprise, that is, its capacity to pay its short-term liabilities, information about the financial position of the enterprise, that is, net worth of the business, about the performance of the enterprise, that is, operating profit or loss of the enterprise, about the managerial efficiency, environment and ecology and human resources, and accounting provides information about the solvency of the enterprise, that is, its capacity to pay the long-term liabilities. Now we will discuss various users of accounting information. Also, we can call it as the parties interested in accounting information. Mainly, there are two users of accounting information. One is the internal users and second is the external users. Now, we will discuss internal users. Internal users are those persons who manage the business, that is, management at the top, middle and lower levels. The requirements of information is different because they have to take different types of decisions for the business enterprise. The top level management is more concerned with the strategic planning. The middle level is concerned equally with operational planning and control, while as the lower level is concerned more with the execution and controlling operations. In the sense, we can say internal users contain persons who are directly connected with the operation and management of the business entity. Now, first of all, we will take management as the internal user of accounting information. Management, while sitting at the top level of the organization, it has to take a number of important decisions for the smooth functioning of the organization. They need frequent information with regard to cost price, selling price, etc. Their needs are met by the accounting information provided by published reports of the business enterprise, such as profit and loss account, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Management has direct access to these unpublished reports, which contain valuable information not available to external users. This information is being utilized by the management for taking important decisions of the organization. The owners or the shareholders of the company are another type of internal users. They are interested in knowing about the regularity of adequate return on their invested capital. They take a risk which no one else can take. They always want to know whether the risk is worth taking or not. They are interested in knowing about the regularity of adequate return on their invested capital in the short run and safety of their invested capital in the long run. To fulfill these objectives, they require accounting information. They are also interested in knowing whether the profits are increasing or decreasing, probable reasons for this change, should they continue to remain with the investment. If they are not satisfied with the performance of the company, they may sell their shares and buy the shares of a company where prospects are better. The employees of a firm are another internal users. They are also interested in accounting information to assess the ability of the entity to pay higher and regular wage payments, payment of bonus, regularity in depositing amount of provident fund of workers, etc. Besides, the financial statements also reflect whether the various accounts like provident fund, etc. is being deposited regularly in their accounts or not. If, on the other hand, the firm is earning huge profits, there are chances of opening a new branch, leading to the possibility of promotion of the existing employees. Another category of users of accounting information is the external users. Individuals or organizations who have present or future interest in the business enterprise but they are not a part of the management are called external users of accounting information. They have no access to the internal or unpublished reports of the enterprise and hence they make use of external or unpublished reports such as profit and loss account, balance sheet and cash flow statement of the business enterprise. The external users are potential investors, also known as the new investors, creditors, lenders, and government authorities, etc. Firstly, we will take potential investors. Potential investors need information to judge how safe and rewarding the proposed investments will be. As making investment involves risk, the investors have no control on the preparation of accounting information, so they rely on the information provided to them in the form of published accounting information. They should try to evaluate the earning prospects of the company and safety of their investments. Creditors are the another external users of accounting information. They are short-term creditors like the suppliers of goods and services on credit. They want information about the creditworthiness of the business enterprise. They want to know whether the amount owing to them will be repaid when due and whether they should extend, maintain or restrict the credit to the enterprise. For this, they have to rely on the accounting information that helps them in providing information about the financial soundness of the business enterprise. Thus, they can decide whether goods be provided to firm on credit or not, and if yes, to what extent. Another type of external users are taxation authorities and government and its agencies. We can take them simultaneously. Tax authorities, whether income tax, GST or any other taxation departments, need information for the assessment of the tax liabilities of an enterprise. The accounting information provides such information. And government and its agencies also needs information to determine taxation policies, allocation of resources and for providing subsidies etc. For this, they need the accounting information. Another external users are bankers and financial institutions. They provide long-term loan and medium-term loan to the business entity. Before providing loan to a business entity, banks and other financial institutions wants to know the profit earning capacity and the financial position of the business. Accounting facilitates raising loans from banks and other financial institutions by providing them historical and projected financial statements. These financial statements make financial appraisal of the entity to know the repayment capacity of the entity and regularity of interest payment on loan. Thus, they need accounting information to meet their objectives. Apart from these, there are many other external users of accounting information like research scholars, competitors, public and social responsibility groups, etc. They all are interested in the information about the business enterprise for different reasons. Accounting information is very important for all types of users, either they are internal or external users of accounting information. As an accounting system, the accounting process provides information to all the users whether inside or outside the business enterprise. Such information helps the users of information in making various decisions. The information is communicated through various financial statements such as profit and loss account, balance sheet, and cash flow statements, etc. The financial statements are normally prepared on yearly basis. However, the frequency of their preparation depends on the need of their users. In the next video, we are going to discuss various qualitative characteristics of accounting information and role of accounting in business. Till then, thank you.